Geothermal is a way to heat and cool your home using the constant temperature of the earth. So here in Massachusetts, the ground temperature is about 50 degrees. So it makes the ground an ideal source of heat in the wintertime or a heat sink in the summertime. With an air source heat pump, for example, it's going from 0 degrees outside up to 70 degrees in your house. With geothermal, it's going from 50 degrees up to 70 degrees, so that change in temperature is so much smaller, which makes it very, very efficient.
Geothermal is essentially a ground source system. It starts off with a well, a round loop. What they do is they come in, they set up the drilling rig, set up the tower, start to drill, put the casing in the ground.
The drilling is really the only unique portion of the heating and cooling system.
This drill rig right here, it's a reach drill water well drill rig, works off of compressed air. We are able to penetrate through the rock at 20 feet per interval. As we get down, advance 20 feet, we have to add on a new 20-foot length of drill rod every time. This is what we call the carousel, and this holds about, for us, 140 feet of drill rod. This rotates and also swings in and out to the inside of the mast. And that's how we're able to pull one drill rod out and add it into here so we can continue drilling straight down.
An open loop geothermal system works just like a water well. So you have a pipe coming in and a pipe going out. Closed loop system, the geothermal fluid is completely contained inside pipes that are completely sealed. So the fluid goes round and round, goes to the well, goes down the pipe, back up the pipe, and then back into the house.
After they drill, another crew comes back in, they put a loop system down in the ground. It's closed loop, it's continuous pipe. There's only one connection at the bottom of the well, and then after that, they grout the well. At that time, the loops are all filled with water, and the grouting process takes place. If it's a small system, we only need one well. If it's a bigger system, we're going to have multiple wells depending on the geology of the ground. So then there will be a piping arrangement underground where all the wells get connected together, and the way we do it, we bring in a single pipe into the residence.
We're extracting energy from groundwater or water that we're circulating through the ground, which in turn picks up heat or temperature energy from the ground and then brings it back to the unit, the heat pump inside the home, and then extracts temperature or energy out of that water and then transfers that energy into the home. The water is coming into this heat pump. The pump is literally extracting heat energy out of the water. The ductwork is the same as any central air system, whether it be ductwork or water-to-water radiant heat or baseboard. The geothermal can provide energy to those outlets, if you will, for energy.
In new construction, you have to buy a heating system anyway, and most homes have central air conditioning now.
So we're building a 2,600 square foot house in Westford. We decided to go with a geothermal heating system for the entire property. There's a lot of advantages to doing it when you're first building a house. Our house had been designed around having central air, central heating anyway. So the additional cost to put a geothermal system in was significantly better than if we had put in a different system and then changed it out later.
There's a huge tax credit that can help cover the cost. That tax credit is 30%. So I usually tell our customers that the tax credit covers the cost of the drilling.
We had looked at a lot of different systems for heating and cooling and all that, and being able to do a green system is really nice, but ultimately we were motivated by long-term costs, and it really looked like the geothermal system meant that over the life of what we expect to stay in the home, that it really was the most cost-effective solution. And being able to have it also helpful to the environment is really just a great bonus that goes along with it.